Today's lecture, we are going to talk about number systems and how they are placed between values of different numbers. We are going to look at the Sumerian number system and the Indian number system. The Sumerian number system is where before it actually came into existence, it was invented around 3000 BC, and its number systems was used the mainly base of 60. As you can see here, we have 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, and 1000. And the Sumerian writing began as different pictorial scripts, and numbers were originally depicted on clay tables as different types of images. And as you can see here, Mesopotamia eventually adopted a much simpler number system of Egypt. Sumerian or Babylon numbers, as I have said, the numeric system is based on 60, the number 60. The absolute value system that formed the basis of European number development was the system that was invented in Egypt, and Egyptian numbers used the decimal system. And most importantly, the Egyptians were very advanced in this regard, but their system still was quite restrictive and still needed a lot of development. So this is an example of the Babylonian mathematics. Some scientific number systems of China, as you can see here, which evolved from Babylonian and Middle East number systems, was developed in China. And China had several ways of writing numbers, and there are many characters here that has been represented for calligraphy, for daily use, and also other applications. Bamboo sticks were the calculation tool in China, and they were used on a board with regular squares. Even until today, the invention of checkerboards is quite relevant till today, 21st century, where it's still used. The value place system of Mayan civilization, as you can see here, does not include the number 0. So we have 1 till 20. And we can ask or reflect on why did the Mayans include 0 into their system, did not include a 0 into their system. It is probably impossible to find an answer, but the Mayan civilization kept an excellent record of its day-to-day activities, even though they were categorized as pagans. The Indian number system here looks at today's decimal system as well, and many changes had occurred in India because of the rise and decline of Indus civilization. For several hundred years, life had returned to small villages, but a second period of urbanization has developed in the 1500s BC. And they introduced cattle breeding into the fertile river valleys of a new civilization in the Ganges River Valley. To recap, the art of writing was invented in 3000 BC in Sumer, Mesopotamia, and all these number systems have a significance even up and until today.